Now I'll show you how to get started with YouTube video. So if you want to start a YouTube channel, it's very easy to create videos. You can start by either talking to the camera and record it and upload it, or you can record a screen. So this is really useful for tutorials. So for example, I'm using screen recording for those tutorials here. And for that, I'm using QuickTime Player. So this is a free app that you can download and you can use to record your videos. It's very easy to use. It's very easy to upload your videos, and I'll show you how to do it. Go to Google and search for download QuickTime Player, and obviously for your computer, so you find the right software, and click search. Go to QuickTime and click on the link. Here you will be able to download it for your own operating system, so simply download and follow the instructions. Once it's downloaded, you can choose to do screen recording. So it's obviously inactive because I'm using it for this video. You can do audio recording, you can do movie recording, and when finished, simply stop, save it, and then you can upload it to YouTube. So in order to get started with YouTube, you will need to have Google account and then create new YouTube account. And once on YouTube, simply click sign in. Then follow the instructions to sign in with your Google account. Once you're signed in, click on this icon at the top, Create, and then choose Upload Video. You can also go live, but this exercise, I'll choose to upload video. Now in the next window, I will show you how to drag and drop. It is really easy with YouTube. New way of uploading videos, really quick. So choose the file from your computer. And here are the files created with QuickTime Player. They've got Qt movie files. So drag and drop the one you want to upload and optimize it in the next window. So you can change the description, the title, the thumbnail. You can upload custom thumbnail. Otherwise, YouTube will show one of the video clips as a thumbnail. You can choose which playlist to upload it to and specify whether it's made for kids or whether it's not made for kids. Then click next. And in the next section, so these are only 3 steps, you can specify whether it's public, unlisted or private, or whether you want to schedule it. When ready, simply click publish and your video will be uploaded within a few minutes.